and welcome. This is Regos Productions. Today in this video I want to show you the very first step you need to do while you want to start forex trading, and that is to register an account with a broker. In the description of this video there is a link to my recommended broker. Follow that link and register an account. When you click on that link, it will take you to this page. So what you need to do is to register now. On this page, you enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. You can change the country code depending on your country, and then you will create an account. It will take you to this page, which is page 2 of the registration. Here you enter your details like your birth month. Ordinarily, this part will not be activated until you click this blue icon. Once you click it, this part will activate. Even if you're using a mobile phone to register, it will still be the same experience. So enter all your details here and make sure you enter correct details. Now choose trading platform. You can choose MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 depending on what you want to use, but you can just go with MetaTrader 4 and select your base currency, usually USD. After you finish registration, it will come up to this page. This is your dashboard now. Here is your login and the server. It will also be sent to your email address. So the next thing that you will need to do is to verify your account. How you do that is this: upload documents. Your account is not verified. The reason why you have to verify your account is that if you make deposits, all accounts that are not verified within 14 business days after the initial deposit will be temporarily blocked until they supply appropriate documents. So this is a very important part. Here you choose the type of ID card you want to verify. Upload the front of the ID, the back of the ID. You click upload. Then you upload your utility bill here. Now after you have done that, you proceed to make deposit. Fund your account. You can fund your account using your Visa card or your MasterCard. The minimum you can fund is $100. You enter your card details here. Then you make your deposit. It is that simple, very simple and very straightforward. With this now, you are ready to start trading with your account. Now you need to download the platform that you selected while you are registering the account. For example, this account we are using MetaTrader 4. So what you will do is you will go to your Play Store on your Android phone, search for MetaTrader 4 and download it as an app and install. I will show you that process. So on your mobile phone, you search for the app. You can see the app is already installed on this particular device. So I just open it. So once you open it now, you're going to see the different pairs that you can start trading. Now you come to manage accounts. That is how to log in. You add account here. You go to log in to an existing account. You find the broker. For example, we're using Ava Real 3. So I look for Ava Real 3. This is my login. I'll enter it and then enter the password that I used to register. So once you're done with that, your account is ready to start trading. You can now begin to make trades and place trades, okay, with all these different pairs. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts about this video. I'ma see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.